Hi and hola! I'm Barbara from Bee's Kitchen and Garden. Today's recipe is about wonderful cranberry sauce. I call it my unique zesty cranberry sauce, but it's not really spicy. It tastes great. This year, canned cranberries are actually more expensive than fresh cranberries because the canned cranberries come from last year's crop, which was very sparse. This year's crop has been amazing. So it's time for you to learn how to cook a fresh cranberry sauce. Let's get started. Gather your ingredients. There's not a whole lot to get together, and this is a simple, easy recipe. Cranberries, 1 bag. This is a 12-ounce bag. 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, a lime, allspice and cinnamon. This is going to be the extra flavor for my unique, zesty, but not too spicy, cranberry sauce. The first step is to rinse your bag of fresh cranberries. You want to make sure that there aren't any soft, rotten ones or others that don't look like you really would like them in this particular sauce. So put them in a colander and rinse them under cold water. The first step after rinsing your cranberries is to take the sugar and the water, add them to your saucepan, stir them together, and you're going to put them on the stove. You're going to put the pan on the stove and bring it to a boil, stirring the whole time until the water and sugar are totally absorbed together, or the sugar is absorbed by the water. So we're stirring the sugar and water mixture, bringing it to a boil, and at the same time getting all of the sugar absorbed into the water. Now that our mixture is boiling and everything has been blended together, we're adding the cranberries. When I rinsed my cranberries, I took out, I think, 3. 2 were wrinkled and soft, and 1 was split open. So all of these go into our mixture. And it just looks like cranberries and boiling water. Stir your mixture frequently. You will notice it slowly begins to thicken, and the lovely sound of the popping cranberries as they get softer is also very apparent. The sauce is thickening. The cranberries are softening. So I'm going to turn off the heat and add the special ingredients. Our cranberry sauce is nice and thick, just about ready. Now come the special ingredients. 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. I'll do it over the cutting board in case it spills. I don't want too much to go in. 1 teaspoon of ground allspice. Same thing, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I just brushed off the allspice. 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And the kicker is 1 tablespoon of lime juice. And 1 tablespoon of lime juice. Now stir everything in together and then put it on a very low boil for about another 6 to 8 minutes. After adding the special spices, and it's now been a slow boil for another 6 minutes, look at how thick it is. That is so amazing. So turn off your heat and pour it into a soup bowl or a Pyrex dish that can handle hot liquids, something that can handle it. You don't want your dish to break. And there is a fabulous bowl of cranberry sauce for your holidays. If you've had fun with me with this recipe, please subscribe below and You will be notified when one of my new recipes comes out. Enjoy your unique, zesty, but not too spicy cranberry sauce, and have a happy holiday.